Aragon towbars. Aragon towbars designs, manufactures and markets towbars and automotive accessories for the vast majority of vehicles on the market. Innovation, digitalisation and customer service are our hallmarks. We are manufacturers. Millions of cars all over the world use Aragon brand towbars. A 3D scanner arm, laser cutting machines, state-of-the-art CNC folding machines, robotic welding and electrostatic cabins for shot blasting and painting make it possible for us to supply towbars with total guarantee. Customers from all 5 continents, including several automotive manufacturers, rely on our products. We have the first car loading standard test or Carlos test in Spain. A 92-hour trial faithfully simulates the life of a towbar during its use on a vehicle. Demanding laboratory controls allow us to sell our products in compliance with the strictest quality and safety standards. We are innovation. We differentiate ourselves by being pioneers in the development of electronic products. Several patents and international awards certify this. The Aragon CAN kits, manufactured in-house, are the only ones on the market that can be reprogrammed through the towbars Aragon app. We are the first manufacturer that has developed the best tool to facilitate the work of the installer of towbars and electronic kits, Aragon Visual. With Aragon Visual, we provide our customers with hundreds of step-by-step assembly videos to solve doubts and save mounting and training time. Thanks to augmented reality, we can see in our app how the different toe box models look in any vehicle. With a powerful search engine for towbars and kits, detailed product information and numerous functionalities for customers, the Aragon Towbars website is the best working tool for workshops and professionals in the sector. We are solutions. Under the TowCar brand, we market all kinds of transport solutions. Traveling with our luggage in the back of the car is the best option to save fuel or battery compared to roof boxes. Expert reports confirm that transporting luggage in the rear of the vehicle improves aerodynamics, facilitates loading and unloading and allows us to drive without noise. We are team. We are a staff in continuous training and learning, who like to do things together inside and outside work. We are team. We are Aragon Towbars. Will you join us on your next trip?